In today's world, the demand for organic fertilizers is actively growing, and this growth will continue. Accordingly, the market will be saturated with offers, which we are ready for. It's all about being unique and establishing ourselves among the first. We're confidently going for it. We have our own unique niche among our competitors. If you compare our product with similar fertilizers, such as humic or microbiological fertilizers, it is obvious that they do not have the same amount of macro and micro elements and similar diversity of microorganisms as Uterra. In order to achieve the best possible result, we did what no one else in the world had done before us. Samples of fertile soils untouched by urbanization, land reclamation, and polluting industry were brought from 110 regions of the planet. From these samples, we have created a soil bank that contains a unique set of thousands of species of beneficial soil microorganisms. All of them, thanks to the process we have developed, have been incorporated into Uterra fertilizer, making it effective and competitive.